Well, gCADPlus is designed to make drafting of landscape plans as simple and straightforward as possible. The view you see here is the view you'll get when you start gCADPlus. To create a new drawing, click File and New, and when you do, a list of templates pops up. You can add to those templates. The first template listed is a default template. We would suggest that you open one called First Design LCD and say, OK, here we are in the drawing environment. If we use the left button of the mouse to select that line and look in the properties box, you can see that's a line 10 metres long. We draw in what's called model space at full size, and then when we want to print the plan, we switch to what's called a layout space, and there you would edit your company name, address, logo, and site description and so on. Let's return to the model. I mentioned that gCADPlus is designed to help you draft efficiently. Speed increases when you save your previous design work. If we go to Library and Designs, we have here a list of previous designs, and I can scroll through them, moving down through this list. If we go to Rear Garden 01 and pick up that design, so that's a thumbnail on the right, we're picking up that design and we can insert it into this drawing. I'll say OK, and the whole design goes in and I can place it wherever I want. So my 10 metre line might represent the footprint of a house, or the house could be on the right hand side. Here are a couple of windows. You will orient the design and cannibalise it or break it up and use parts of this in your own work. When we swing to Landscape Plan and right click and Zoom Extents, there's the whole design placed on a sheet ready for you to print. If we want to break up that design, just pick it and right click and explode. Now we can change things around. Let's imagine that we wanted to rotate. So we select everything and right click and rotate. We'll rotate about this point here and we'll spin it around and click it into the horizontal position. The reason I can click that easily is that at the bottom of the screen is a polar switch on. Now we could move that design back to sit more closely where the house is. And I'll unselect all. Clearly you'll have to rotate some of the text that's here, but that's not a terribly difficult task. So now we're entering from the existing house into a rock path area to a raised semicircular entertainment area. Some part of it is screened off and so on. So I hope you can see that building a new design with gCADPlus is really straightforward. It's a little slow at the start when you build your design set, but you will know these previous pieces of design work and you'll know which ones suit a new design task better than others. We can edit this, move things around to create a new design.